Welcome, everyone. Licensing and franchising have opened countless business opportunities to expand, innovate, and generate revenue. However, like any strategy, they come with both advantages and risks. Success depends on understanding these factors and making informed decisions that align with your goals. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, we will explore the benefits and challenges of licensing and franchising for licensors, franchisors, and licensees, franchisees. Key decision-making factors to help businesses determine the right model for their needs. This knowledge will help you evaluate your options clearly, whether you're planning to license your invention, start a franchise, or join an established system. Benefits of licensing. For licensors, licensing allows businesses to monetize their intellectual property with minimal operational involvement. Imagine a company with a patented invention. Instead of manufacturing and distributing products, it licenses the patent to another company and earns royalties. This approach provides steady income while reducing production and market entry risks. Licensees benefit from gaining access to proven technology or products without the burden of creating them from scratch. For example, a small manufacturer licensing patented designs can save on research and development costs while introducing high-demand products. Benefits of franchising. Franchisors enjoy rapid expansion with less financial risk. When a franchisor sells a franchise, the franchisee invests in setting up and running the business. The franchisor provides branding, training, and operational systems and earns revenue through franchise fees and royalties. Franchisees gain access to a proven business model with built-in brand recognition, reducing the risks of starting a new venture. For example, a global fast food chain franchisee benefits from the established marketing, supply chain, and customer trust associated with the brand. Risks of licensing. Licensors face risks if licensees fail to uphold quality standards, harming the brand's reputation. Imagine a licensee producing subpar products under a licensed trademark. Customers will associate the poor quality with the licensor, even if they had no direct involvement. Licensees also take on significant risks. They may overpay for a license, or the licensed product might need to perform better in the market, leading to financial losses. Risks of franchising. Franchisors must ensure consistency across all franchise locations. If one franchisee fails to meet brand standards, it can harm the entire system's reputation. Additionally, franchisors invest heavily in training, support, and quality control, which can strain resources. Franchisees face risks such as high initial investments and limited control. They must adhere to the franchisor's strict rules, which can stifle creativity or lead to disputes over operational decisions. Decision factors. Choosing the right model. Deciding between licensing and franchising depends on your business goals, resources, and level of control. Licensing works best for businesses with strong intellectual property, but needs more desire or capacity to scale operations. Franchising is ideal for those wanting to expand their business model while retaining control over branding and operations. Consider the following. Financial goals. Licensing often provides steady income with less overhead, while franchising offers larger revenue potential but requires ongoing involvement. Risk tolerance. Franchising involves higher financial and operational risks compared to licensing. Control needs. Franchising requires stricter oversight to ensure consistency, while licensing allows more independence. Joe's sparkling idea. Joe invented a unique water purifier and decided to license his patent to a large manufacturer. He earned royalties without handling production or marketing. Inspired by his success, Joe later franchised his own retail water purifier business. His franchises thrived, but one franchisee cut corners, causing a quality issue that hurt Joe's reputation. Moral: licensing offers less control, but also less risk, while franchising demands closer oversight to protect brand integrity. Renting versus sharing your home. Think of licensing as renting out your property to tenants. You provide access, collect income, and have limited involvement. Franchising, however, is like sharing your home. You let someone live there, but you set the rules and ensure they maintain the property to your standards. Licensing offers freedom, while franchising requires partnership and shared responsibility. Both models require careful consideration of risks, benefits, and long-term goals. As you evaluate these strategies, consider how they align with your vision for success.